start again. It's a rage thing.
Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best touchless vacuums in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 10. STYLANCE Stationary Vacuum. The STYLANCE Touchless Stationary Vacuum Cleaner, aka the hair dustbin, can be used to remove 100% of dust and hair and debris effortlessly. This is why it is ideal for home and commercial spaces, including hair salons, boutiques, and garages. It works best on wood, vinyl, or concrete floor. Now, moving on to the functionality of this stationary vacuum cleaner. Much like all the others on this list, this one has infrared sensors that activate the suction to clear the hair and debris instantly. Additionally, this touchless vacuum has a HEPA exhaust filter that ensures only clean air enters the room. One great thing about this unit is that, unlike other vacuum cleaners, it shuts down only after it removes 100% of dust, hair, and debris present. Additionally, the unit is equipped with indicator lights for the canister and the general status of the vacuum and can be controlled manually as well as automatically. Number 9. EyeVac EVPRO-PW Touchless Stationary Vacuum. As you would have guessed from the list, EyeVac is not a new name in the market. We have already seen many of their stationary vacuums already make the list counting the best products. This pet touchless canister vacuum is one of them. EyeVac Pet Stationary Touchless Vacuum is designed for use in households with pets, pet grooming salons, mobility concerns, or any space that requires regular sweeping. It equipped with 2 high-efficiency filters, the EyeVac removes dust, dirt and debris from the air and returns clean air to the environment. The 1,400-watt motor in the vacuum creates a powerful cyclonic movement that sucks up any dirt and debris in front of it. It is bagless and has a 1.6-gallon canister that can hold quite a lot of dust and debris. The vacuum will let you know when the canister needs to empty. Then, you have to move the dust in front of the vacuum and clean it up. Number 8. EyeVac 1400 watts Touchless Stationary Vacuum. Weighing only 14 pounds, this EyeVac Pro creation is one of a kind. The compact size allows it to be tucked away underneath a bench or table in any room. Also, it can be moved from room to room quite easily. It works through infrared sensors that can detect dust. The vacuum works well for pet owners, houses with mobility concerns, and people with tight schedules. You have to sweep the dust, hair, small debris, etc. in front of the vacuum and let it suction it up. The vacuum has a double filtration system that cleans the air in tandem with the floor. You can select manual or automatic suction. Number 7. NeoVac Elite Touchless Stationary Vacuum. The NeoVac Elite looks exactly like the EyeVac Home. It has the same distinctive teardrop-shaped housing, with the same exact weight and dimensions. In fact, the physical design is identical, with only 2 noticeable differences. First, the only color options are black and white, without any extra choices. Second, the branding around the control panel is for NeoVac, not EyeVac. Other than that, we suspect this is a clone of the EyeVac Home. The buttons and controls are the same. The front panel opens the same way, to reveal the same pair of filters. The motor vent is in the same place, and the front sports a little laser sensor. Number 6. Eufy by Anker RoboVac G30. If the goal is to find a great touchless robot vacuum with useful smart features to pick up food, dirt, and other debris, the Eufy by Anker RoboVac G30, which has 2000 pascals of suction, is a great choice. It also has a smartphone app that allows users to review the cleaning history, set a cleaning schedule, switch modes, and much more. This vacuum is perfect for picking up kibble, oat flour, crumbs, and other debris. If there are multiple pets and rugs in the home, however, deeply embedded pet hair may require some additional elbow grease. It may take a time or two for this model to avoid obstacles, but ultimately, it should be able to learn a room without any issues so it can easily navigate around furniture. Number 5. Ilife V3S Pro Robot Vacuum Cleaner. This sleek and affordable robot vacuum is ideal for hardwood, laminate, tile, and stone floors. It boasts a tangle-free design that prevents pet hair and other debris from clogging its intake system, allowing it to pursue continuous cleaning. Its low-height design lets it get in awkward spaces where clumps of pet hair can accumulate, like under beds and furniture. The vacuum operates via a handy remote control or a one-touch auto-clean button. 3 built-in infrared sensors underneath the unit intelligently detect stairs and other pitfalls to avoid. It has a runtime of 90 to 100 minutes of continuous cleaning, and if the onboard system senses the battery is running low, it automatically returns to the docking station to recharge. Number 4. STYLANCE 9800260 Built-in Kitchen Vacuum. Eliminate the need to bend over with a dustpan after sweeping the floor. With a STYLANCE built-in stationary vacuum installed in the toe kick area beneath the cabinetry, users simply sweep dust and debris toward the unit, which suctions it in and stores it in a reusable vacuum bag. Employ the included attachable hose to reach up high or far away from the under cabinet unit. It facilitates tidying up inside cabinets and drawers as well as vacuuming upholstered furniture. This lightweight vacuum's extendable hose stretches from 6 feet to 18 feet and fits 2 included attachments, a brush and a crevice tool. With a reusable bag and washable HEPA filter included, this built-in stationary vacuum is self-contained and ready to go, no central vac system necessary. The strong 650-watt motor delivers ample power to suction dirt, hair, dust, and debris from the floors in kitchens, bathrooms, and workshops. Number 3. iRobot Roomba 675 Robot Vacuum. For effortless daily cleaning, this robotic vacuum from iRobot offers a 3-stage cleaning system that removes dirt from hard floors, carpets, corners, and edges. The dual multi-surface brushes along with the edge-sweeping brush yield efficient cleaning of varied levels and surfaces in the home. A suite of advanced sensors enables the Roomba to navigate floors, under furniture, around obstacles, and along edges. The Cliff Detect feature keeps this robot from falling downstairs. For increased versatility, the auto-adjust cleaning head transitions seamlessly between rugs, carpet, wood, laminate, and other hard surface floors. Activate or schedule the Roomba's cleaning operations from a smartphone using the iRobot Home app. Alternatively, it responds to voice commands delivered by Google Assistant or Alexa. Measuring 13.4 inches in diameter and 3.54 inches tall, the 6.77-pound Roomba docks in the included charging station to recharge the lithium-ion battery. Number 2. EyeVac Home Touchless Stationary Vacuum. Place this touchless stationary vacuum in a high-traffic area and sweep dust, dirt, and debris toward it. With an inlet the size of a quarter, the EyeVac unit sucks up hair, dog food bits, kitty litter, wood shavings, screws, and paper. The bagless canister holds up to 1 dry gallon of debris. The infrared sensors in this EyeVac stationary vacuum detect a sweeping motion and instantly start the strong suctioning action that's powered by the 1100-watt motor. After entering the stationary vacuum, unwanted particles become trapped by the dual high-efficiency filters. Subsequently, the EyeVac returns clean air to the environment. Useful for hard surface floors such as laminate, wood, tile, and concrete, this freestanding stationary vacuum system is approximately 18 inches by 12 inches. It is not a built-in unit. Number 1. EyeVac Pro Touchless Stationary Vacuum. The task of removing unwanted particles from hard surface floors becomes quick and easy with this touchless stationary vacuum. With infrared sensors that activate automatically when a sweeping motion is detected, the EyeVac Pro is always on and ready to pull in the messes that users send its way. In addition to clean floors, users will enjoy clean air, thanks to this stationary vacuum. 2 high-efficiency filters trap dirt, dust, and debris while returning clean air to the indoor environment. The bagless canister holds 1.9 dry gallons of debris and detaches easily for emptying into a trash can. The 1,400-watt motor provides strong suction to pull in dust, dirt, hair, food crumbs, and small items such as sticks and leaves that pets and humans track into the home. Weighing in at 14 pounds and measuring 13 inches by 7.5 inches by 20.5 inches, this EyeVac touchless vacuum occupies a small footprint in the space. It is not a built-in unit.